Hey y'all, I'm getting ready for Zine Fest, getting ready to go on the trip. I've already changed the buttons on my jacket, my lovely dependable vest, and see that, and I've cleaned my room and stuff, and I'm starting to downsize in anticipation for getting rid of stuff in general, and also maybe moving. If I move, I will downsize more, hopefully to like just one of these bins. Or two bins, because it turns out like if I get rid of a lot of stuff that I'm not using to stay sentient or just stuff for decoration, I actually don't have a whole lot of stuff anyway, so that's cool. So in the meantime, the sleeping bag is in there because the sleeping bag doesn't have a bag. The zines I'm going to trade so far in here until my other friend drops off the zines that are desirable for trade when I get to the event. And my pack is here. So far I have a shirt and pants, maybe 2 pairs of pants packed, all the clean underwear I could find. I have a specific dirty clothes bag. This is a very nice bag. It's also very soft, so when I'm traveling I use that as a pillow. A belt, of course, and the things that I will pack when I am ready to go is my toothbrush and toothpaste, and my throw, that is also very soft, and stuff like that, but still not a whole lot. I also have the buttons in here so I can change them out of my jacket while I'm out. And this is I know, Evil Amazon. I got it from Evil Amazon, if you can see that. And I'm using my 75 liter, even though I'm not going to I don't plan on carrying that much stuff, but the 65, I'm planning on going shopping before I go, so I'm going to use a 65 for something else. There's a 65 here. If you can see that, hopefully you can. I have 2 packs just in case something happens to one. I have the other. Hopefully I will be able to ask a friend to ship the other one out to me in case the other one breaks or gets stolen or whatever. One pack is going to come out traveling with me, and the other pack is going to stay here. And I'm going to try to downsize what I carry and take the 65. Also, I noticed that when I travel, I also take large things in terms of weight, not just how much stuff I have. I noticed that even when I do try to pack light, when I tried to use a 55, I still had very heavy stuff. So, in terms of packing less and packing light and weight is going to be my challenges, and it's going to be very necessary because I'm going to be traveling during summer this time, so a lot of weight will be extra hot, and I don't need that because I could get heat stroke. The sleeping bag situation, I do like this sleeping bag, and it's very durable, and it's proven to be a lot better than the other sleeping bag that I had. I don't know if I showed that off. The other sleeping bag started wearing out after its first wash, where I've had this sleeping bag for a long time, and I've washed it plenty of times. Of course, I wash it properly. I wash it on gentle, and I dry it on a light dry, and it has not torn up, so I'm probably going to stick with this, but hopefully I'll find something better to carry it in, or figure out a different way to carry it. I'm thinking about getting a tarp and wrapping it up in the tarp, and I have bungee cords, and put the bungee cords on the pack down there, wherever that will fit. And hopefully that will work. Yeah, so Zine Fest, looking forward to it.